Hi everybody, my name's Nancy, and I went through Jeff's Waking Up in the Dream course a couple of months ago, and I just wanted to share what I got out of it. One of the biggest things for me was getting the clicker and using the clicker every time that I have a low vibrational thought, judgmental thought, or I get triggered by something. And quite honestly, most of my low vibe thoughts and judgments were about myself. So it helped me to realize that too. Although I was and do, of course, I'm not perfect. I'm not trying to be. I was and still do judge some things outside of me, of course, but mostly myself. So it really helped me to learn that. But having a clicker, with you wherever you go, your car, your work, you walk into the kitchen and make a meal. I mean, I had it everywhere for a while. And then I didn't need it because it was so up in my conscious awareness when I would have a low vibe thought or trigger or judgment, right? So then I didn't need it anymore, and I don't need it anymore because it's so like automatic. Like the clicker trains you. You're retraining yourself basically to be like super consciously aware of when you're having these low vibe thoughts or triggers. So that was huge for me. And I've passed that on to my kids. And, my daughter and I were driving one day and I had shared with her about it. And she's like, oh my gosh, I just made a judgment. Click, click. And we still joke about it. When one of us makes a judgment or a low vibe thought or something, we'll go, oh, click, click. So it's still having a positive impact on my whole household. So that's the biggest thing that comes up for me. But of course, I got a lot out of it. But I wanted to share that was huge for me. So if you're on the fence about taking the course, I'd highly recommend it. And go out and get that clicker and just see how you do with it, because you'll surprise yourself. It will make a huge difference. I don't see how it couldn't for someone who's really using it honestly. So really the course helped me to become aware of how I'm being and how I'm thinking. And of course, we all have the meaning making machine, and we all have all these negative thoughts and stories come into our mind all the time. And what better way to stop it than by having a physical device to start with, to go, oh, wait, stop. And then instead of getting caught up in whatever story we're making up about the thought or the trigger or whatever, and having it maybe ruin our day, or, oh, I had a bad day because I thought about this. And trust me, I used to do this, and a lot of us do. Instead, you recognize it right away, and you're like, oh, no, not going to go there. No, moving on. So it brings up into your awareness that, you can get caught up in these things and let them like ruin your day. And woe is me. Oh, and then you go into victimhood mode. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. So that was a huge thing for me. Another thing was gratitude. I had a lot of gratitude before this course because I had seen Jeff talk about it so much, about how important it is to have gratitude. And the more gratitude you have, the more you'll be presented with in your life that's good. And that is happening for me, which is wonderful. Every morning when I wake up, before my feet hit the floor, I say what I'm grateful for. I thank my innate intelligence. I thank my vessel, my body, all the parts of my body, my internal organs, my cells, everything, because that's what's keeping this vessel and this body together, is all of it, all of the parts. So I have changed my relationship with myself through this course, where I appreciate myself and my sacred divine vessel. And I didn't before. And of course, I have asked forgiveness for that because that was an important part of that for me too. So that was another thing that I got out of it that was huge for me. There were some things that I worked through with with the group that I was in, and that was a blessing. I won't go into those things, but being grateful is huge, and getting the clicker and realizing, becoming really consciously aware of how you're thinking. It changed my life. It forever changed my life. It was next level for me. And now I'm talking to other people about it, like my husband and children, and making a difference for them. So those were kind of the two biggest things that that came out of it for me. And I am, of course, ever grateful to Jeff for encouraging me to be in the group, and for everything that he gives. He's such an amazing person, and I love you, Jeff. All right, so bless you all who are preparing to go through the course. I promise it'll be wonderful. You'll get so much out of it. And painful things might come up, but it's an opportunity for you to heal. So I wish you all the best. Bless you. Bye.